But the title right here, we got this Hask coconut milk. Coconut milk, yeah, you heard me right. Coconut milk and organic honey. It quenches and controls that free of sulfates and parabens. See, I have trouble with this word, but you see it. Curl care shampoo. All right, so I've used this shampoo twice already. It reminds me of the Shea Moisture. I'm not gonna lie. Got a good coconut smell. That reminds me of that Pantene. You know what I'm saying? The Pantene coconut. You remember that? Okay, got that coconut smell. It free of sulfates, so it gives you a nice sud. You know what I'm saying? Probably need like 2 globs on your head. Well, for me, you know what I'm saying? Got shorter locks. Maybe go in glob, you feel me? But it does a good job of getting the suds in there real good like it needs to. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead, get you that good washing ability. You know what I'm saying? Goes everywhere you need it to. Afterwards, I'm feeling clean, feeling moisturized a little bit. You feel me? I don't have any problems with this shampoo. I fucks with it. I like this shampoo. I like the last Shea Moisture joint I used. I like the Pantene. What was that other one? Goddamn, that was another one. I like that one too. But you know, this is one of the top ones up there with the Shea Moisture. So I'm probably gonna give this, you know what I'm saying, 7 out of 10. I guess. I don't know, man. Shit, it's pretty good for me. If it works for you, go ahead and get some of that. Got it out of Wally World, you know what I'm saying? Probably get it at your local hair store, you know what I'm saying? Hydrates, you know, all that good shit. Yeah, I haven't even read the back of it, but I found it in the natural section. You feel me? So I already knew it was alright. Like I said, I like it. It does its job, gives you some good suds, you know what I'm saying? You ain't got to use too much at one time. This has been used in 3 washes, and it is still got 2/3, you know. So this can last if you do it right. That's one thing I like about it too. You don't need too much to do what you need to do. You know what I'm saying? So just had to get this quick product review for you know what I'm saying. Let y'all know what's going on with that product because I had to show it to you. You feel me? So I gotta let you know what's going on. You feel me? Got some more product reviews coming. So stay tuned. You feel me? And catch y'all later. You feel me? Peace out. It's your boy. Keep it locked. Keep it healthy. Do your thing. And I'm out.